I am back and I am doing another Death Corps veteran here. This time I'm going to do the Gunner veteran with the grenade launcher, I think it is, which is quite a cool little model to have in your force. So, to start off with here, let me find it. See, I've misplaced my clippers, I'm having one of those. To do this, I'm going to be following the white little dots on here. So it's going to start off with what I forgot. So 37, 38, 39, 40. Again, one of the major positives about this is that all the parts are nice and close together. So I just find it to be a very fast build. Yeah, I consider sort of around about 20 minutes for a miniature, including all the chatting I do on a video, to be pretty fast by anyone's standard. Okay. I just find these Death Corps veterans absolutely gorgeous. I can't help it. I want more of them. I will. I know it's insane to say, but I just will quite happily spend money on these things because I just love the kit so much. Oh, as I said, every time that I buy a kit, I end up with loads of spare parts, which means that later on I can build more versatility into my Death Corps. Yeah, I love my Death Corps so much. Sort of drifted off then, just thinking about what I was doing. Yeah, the proud boys of what I call Colony 69. So not strictly Craig itself, but a Craig colony called Colony 69. Oh, make sure I've got this on right. Yeah, there. So the idea is about Colony 69 is the kind of right at the forefront of a Orc invasion force. You know, settled by Death Corps a long time before. Believed to be originally the 69th Company, however, obviously long since a new 69th Company has been raised with, you know, the Colony 69 troops, you know, have gone for a more used approach for them. Okay, I need 143, and where's that grenade launcher? 78. So quite a few little numbers all over the place, but not surprising really. Yeah, so that's my kind of little fluff about Colony 69. They're not the Krieg 69th Company. They used to be, but they are Colony 69. I just like the idea of, you know, a Krieg unit building an outpost. gun. Sure. Oh, backpack. 89 over here and 89 backpack over here. Yeah. So you'll see from my painting style of these, I've actually gone for very worn out colours, like not rusted, but they're very brass tarnished effect to create the illusion that I want. Okay, and then I think that's 100 over here. Yeah. So as I paint them up, it's a very nuclear winter world, obviously. It's the reason that they chose it. It's their colony point. And obviously the Death Corps built a colony there, which is, you know, the kind of feeling that I want. And as I said, it's kind of supported in a lot of fluff that, you know, as much as a lot of Imperial Guard just fight until the bitter end, there's genuine reasons for colonies to be built for different purposes, and that's what these Death Corps have done. They've had to build an outpost colony, and after a while it's become settled, and it's built up from there. Again, another quite fast build here. Okay. Right, I'll start off by popping that backpack on. And then we've got his arms nice and simple here. Now, because he's loading, obviously his arms are in more of a rested position by the look of it. Like that, downwards, setting up for a shot. I feel like I would really love to convert one of these grenade launchers so that it wasn't being reloaded. Maybe that'll be a thing if I ever get another set. Not happy with the arm, it just doesn't look on. There we go, that's better. Raise that one up a tiny bit. Then we've got our actual grenades, whether they stick into, so they actually go on here. I would have preferred not to put them on, but I'll lose them if I don't put them on now. There we go. Pop, oh, pop, pop, pop. There we go. Nicely done. Hey, that was a nice easy build, wasn't it? So not even 10 minutes. That was a quick build. There we go. Death Corps. I'm going to call him a grenadier because that's what he looks like. Well, it's not a grenadier though, is it? A grenade launcher. Don't know if a grenadier is even the right term for that. But there we go. Death Corps with grenade launcher. All done. Nice quick video that then. Thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe.